Okay, quick test. Do you actually remember the kanji from the last few weeks? 10 questions, 4 choices each. Grab a pen, keep score, and let's see how many you can get right. Question 1. What does this kanji mean? The answer is D. Yon. Red yon means 4. Question 2. Which of these kanji means 9? It's C. Q. Read kokono means 9. Question 3. What does this kanji mean? Correct answer, B. Ma. Read ida means interval. Question 4. Which of these kanji means half? And it's B. Han. Read naka means half. Question 5. What does this kanji mean? The answer is B. Ima. Read ima means now. Question 6. Which of these kanji means 5? The answer is D. Go. Read itsu means 5. Question 7. What does this kanji mean? It's D. Tomaru. Read tomaru means stop. Question 8. Which of these kanji means life? Correct answer, D. Shou. Read I means life. Question 9. What does this kanji mean? And it's A. Ue. Read ue means up. Question 10. Which of these kanji means sun, day? The answer is C. Ni. Read he means sun or day. That's all 10. So how did you do? Drop your score in the comments. 10 out of 10 earns you bragging rights. There's a new kanji here every single day, so follow along and keep your streak alive.